In today's video, we'll learn how to quickly create a Power BI report using one of its most intuitive features, the Q&A visual. Let's go ahead and add a Q&A visual to our report. First, open Power BI Desktop and make sure you have your dataset ready. For this tutorial, I'm using a sales dataset, but you can use any dataset you have. On the menu bar, go to Insert tab and click on Q&A Visual. And you'll see the Q&A visual added to your report canvas. Now, let's configure the Q&A visual to make it work with our data. Click on the Q&A visual to activate it. You'll notice an empty text box in the visual. This is where you, or your users, will type questions. Now, let's test it out. Click inside the Q&A visual and type a question like, "What is the total sales amount for home appliances product?" Power BI will immediately process the question and return a result based on your dataset. Here you can see that it used the card visual to show the result. Let's make it standard visual. Click on this option, which says, "Turn this Q&A result into a standard visual." It will quickly convert that into a visual representation without needing to build a whole new visual from scratch. Similarly, we'll try a few more questions. Again, go to Insert tab and click on Q&A Visual. Ask question, show distribution of furniture sales amount by month. Here, we receive the result in line chart. Click on Standard Visual option, and we have one more visual here. We will create one more visual. Next question, show comparison between products by sales amount. Now we got result in the form of bar chart with each product's total sales amount. Let's standardize this as visual. And that's it. You've successfully built a Power BI report using the Q&A visual. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.